Hey guys, just wanted to show you how I recovered from a mistake I just made with my favorite spinner. This little TIE Fighter, I guess you call it a TIE Fighter, somebody called it a TIE Fighter. TIE Fighter brass spinner. It has stainless steel bearings, and as you can see I have revved it up to about 13,000 RPMs. And so as you can see, before the my phone went into power save mode, my spinner has really slowed down from the average time I was getting, which was somewhere between 5 and 6 minutes per spin on a tabletop spin each and every time, down to just right at 3 minutes. But I want to show you, this is how I got it back to where it is now. This blue juice valve oil. It's a very thin oil. It was recommended on I think on reddit.com is where I got the idea for this blue juice stuff. It has brought the spin time back up from just over 2 minutes or so, and the spin time was so pathetic I just don't even want to think about it anymore. But as you can see, it brought it back up over 3 minutes, and this stuff did a pretty good job. It's a very thin oil. It's made for obviously for musical instruments. You can see the little trumpet here on the bottle. And it cost me like $4 off Amazon. I have a Prime account, so it was here in 2 days for like $4 and some change. So it was very economical. I put exactly 4 drops of this into the race and spun the bearings and got them lubricated again. So even though I may have scalded my bearings or something and ran it without any lubrication at 13,000 RPMs, this stuff helped bring it back. So I would, recommend using blue juice if you want to lubricate your stainless steel bearings, because they do need lubrication as opposed to pure, not pure ceramic, hybrid ceramic or full ceramic bearing sets, which I have found that do not need to be lubricated. They actually run better without the lubrication, even though they are a little bit noisier and they are a little bit more clackety or clickety. They do get quite a bit louder. So just want to let you know, if you happen to accidentally ruin your bearings with running it up to 13,000 RPMs, you might be able to recover it a bit with this. I'll talk to you later.